today we're in our final part of the restoration. It's been a challenging couple of weeks for everyone involved, and I really want to say thanks to the community for supporting our crews on the ground. So as of today, we've still got over 2,000 crews working. The majority are in the Gold Coast in those hinterland areas, and we've got a plan to deliver a safe supply to everyone where we can today. So big call out to a few special people in areas. So we're talking the Burleigh Bears Junior Rugby League Club. They've been fantastic with providing a staging area. We've got the same up in the Redlands with the Rugby League Club, Tambourine Mountain Sports Centre, and then we've had the Rural Fire Brigade out at Talabudgera Valley. So huge thanks. That this response wouldn't be what it is without that support and being able to stage our crews where the damage has been. On that point, yesterday we did suffer some challenges with additional trees and vegetation. So it's important to remain diligent to any trees looking suspect that can come down, not only if we've already put the power lines back up, but where our crews are still working. So it is challenging. We're going through that the final stages of where the major damage has been, but we've got a plan, and we're comfortable that we'll be able to deliver that plan today.